back to my channel, and today I have a little haul for you guys. So Kane was sweet enough and sent me this, and I am sending him something. If you're going to, I don't know, Chicago for something and you happen to sit at one of his tables, I'm just saying, that's all I'm saying. So okay, so this is something I was so excited about. So let's start with the washi first, because obviously the TN is like the main thing. So he sent me this holographic clear. So actually I'm gonna open this up, hang on. Get my X-Acto knife, even though I know these always have like perforated edges or whatever, or like things to allow you to open them. I haven't actually rolled, obviously, because you're seeing it in the package. All right, so, well, which side? Left or right? Left or right? I'm gonna go the other way, unless it's like both ways. It is both ways, okay. Maybe that's to show you where it is. So this goes that way? Yes. Anyone else hate opening up stuff like that? Okay, pressure is off. So it is clear with some holographic bows. There, yeah, sorry. I feel like, yeah, that's not focusing because it's probably because it's so light. Oh yes, look at that. I am so excited. So that is a clear one. So I also have it in gold, which they're hard to see, but you can see that they are bows. At least I hope you can. Well, I guess you can see on these guys. And then this is a ombre rainbow, which super pretty. And this is a silver. So this is a holographic, that's a gold, silver, and then this all pink one is silver as well. So super happy about these guys, because like, look at how pretty they are. Anyway, okay, what you guys actually want to see. Ta-da! All right, go ahead and guess what I got. Did I get a TN or rings? I'll give you a second. Now, did I should say, that's probably the easiest to guess, if I got a rings or a TN, or, and I said TN earlier, that doesn't necessarily mean that that's what I meant, because I have TNs from him. That's all I'm gonna say. And what color did I get? I'll let you guys pause for a second. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's all you get. Ta-da! Now, this color is so hard to show true to color. I don't know, like, if it's me, but like when I was trying to take a photo of it, like it's like a seafoam green, but it's a little bit more blue. Does that make sense? But it's definitely more blue than green. Like if I, no, I can't show you that because whatever. I guess some vinyl I cut earlier. See, that's blue, but now this makes it look more green. You know, it's like, and it's not a teal, it's maybe a muted teal, I don't know. And so I got a white elastic and white stitching. Originally, I was going to do it all the same color, but they didn't have the elastic that matched this color. He did have the stitching, but I thought like just the white elastic with like the stitching would be essentially hidden, and then the white elastic would be the only thing showing. So it's like, okay, I lied. Can I do the white stitching and the white elastic? So, and if you guys have been with me long enough, well, I just gave you the answer of what it is. You guys know I cannot stand when these are crisscrossed the wrong way. Yeah, one way. Ta-da! Look at how pretty this is. The double pockets. I mean, you're welcome. Actually, I think I have it upside down. I guess technically it could go either way, but I did think it was upside down because I guess technically it could really go either way, but I'm gonna go with I had it upside down because I think this is the bottom and like, cause that's the top, I think. Well, I could be wrong. You know, I'm not an expert. So, but listen, okay, first, listen, but look at how good these rings are. I'm trying to show you the break point, but I feel like it's not focusing on it. All right, ready? So, I feel like when you guys get like cheap things, like things that are just not, I don't want to say well made because they could be well made, but like, you know what I mean? Rings are very particular because if you get, that's because of my table, cheap rings, like these are hefty, like it sounds hefty. Does that make sense? That's what I'm trying to say. They sound hefty. It seems like you can hold quite a bit in them. So I'm gonna rotate it for you guys and get my hand out of the way so you can see. I mean, these are some hefty rings and I'm like really excited because like I feel like if they weren't hefty, they would start splitting. Like you guys know what I'm talking about, like these things that split and like they don't go all the way. Granted, I saw a video how to fix it, but all right, anyway, so I love this so much and I can't wait to do a setup video in it. I already think I know what I'm going to use this for. So if you guys liked this video, go ahead. Oh, I didn't even tell you the size. It's an A6. Oh my gosh, I'm so like airheaded. Like when I get anything new, I'm like, oh, this, and this, and this, and this, and this. And then I forget to tell you like important details. A6 rings, duo cross pockets, Zen is the color, white stitching, white elastic. So that's my detail. I wonder if these would look cool in gold. Although I like the silver because of the white stitching. No, keep them silver. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.